Unleash your cinematic vision by effortlessly moving your Nikon Z50 Mark II video files to your computer, ready for editing or safekeeping. First, let's get organized. Ensure your Nikon Z50 Mark II is powered on and your computer is running. You'll need a USB-C cable that came with your camera, or a compatible high-speed data transfer cable. Locate the USB-C port on your Nikon Z50 Mark II. It's usually found on the side of the camera, often behind a small flap. Gently plug one end of the USB-C cable into this port. Now, take the other end of the USB-C cable and connect it to an available USB-C port on your computer. For Mac users, your computer may automatically recognize the camera as a drive. On a Mac, after connecting, you should see the camera appear in your Finder window, just like an external hard drive. Click on it to open, and then navigate to the folder containing your videos, typically labeled DCIM. For Windows users, open File Explorer. Your Nikon Z50 Mark II should appear under this PC or computer as a portable device. Click on it to access the internal storage. Once you've opened the camera's storage, look for the DCIM folder. That's where your photos and videos are stored. Inside DCIM, you'll find folders like 100 Nikon, 101 Nikon, and so on. Your video files will be within these folders. Now, you can simply select the video files you want to transfer. You can click and drag them to a specific folder on your computer for organization, or you can copy and paste them. Alternatively, for a more streamlined experience, you can use Nikon's SnapBridge software. Download and install SnapBridge from Nikon's official website. Once installed, pair your camera with the software via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. SnapBridge allows you to wirelessly transfer photos and videos directly to your computer or smart device. Simply open the app, select your videos, and initiate the transfer. It's a great option for quick sharing or when you don't want to use cables. And there you have it. Your stunning video footage from the Nikon Z50 Mark II is now safely on your computer, ready for whatever creative journey you have planned.